Tesla is one of the most successful electric cars manufacturers in the world. They popularized fully electric cars and created a massive demand among the public. With a market cap of around $380 million, Tesla is growing by the day. To keep with others, Tesla built a futuristic facility called the Gigafactory. So welcome to TechRW, and in today's video we are taking a look inside the Tesla's Gigafactory. Elon Musk has called Tesla's Gigafactory the machine that builds the machine. The $5 billion factory is located in Sparks, Nevada. It's where Tesla and Panasonic, its principal partner, produce battery packs for Tesla's Model 3 sedan, along with energy storage products and more. In order to transition the world to sustainable energy, we really needed to build this big, build this boldly, and really build as many battery cells as we possibly could to really accelerate this transition. Chris Rister, Tesla's Vice President for Operations, told CNBC. Only about 30% of the factory is currently built out, but upon completion, it could be the world's largest building by footprint. The Gigafactory currently has 7,000 workers on site, and Panasonic, which releases parts of the Gigafactory and makes battery cells for Tesla, employs 3,000 more. Meanwhile, Tesla's $2 billion Gigafactory in Shanghai, or Gigafactory 3, which broke ground this year, is expected to produce Tesla's Model 3 using a complete vehicle production line before the end of the year. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk believes that in order to keep up with the demand and our changing environment, factories must come up with new ways to manufacture products with sustainable energy. The north-south axis of the building was designed to maximize the generation of solar energy. The roof will eventually contain 200,000 solar panels. These will expand across 1.8 million square feet of the factory. The location is a key component of the Gigafactory's ability to use solar energy, as it is located in a desert that gets a large amount of sunlight. Tesla's Gigafactory also has a water cooling system that repairs extremely high temperatures. Because of the way the air is here in Nevada, it's dry and really hot during the day, but it is very cool at night. We do have 10 million gallon water tank out back, and it allows water to cool down machines. We use it for air conditioning. A lot of equipment requires chilled water to operate, to keep it running, said Lauren Sito, a Tesla's employee. Tesla's Vice President of Operations Chris Rister says, "We really wanted to get to a point where this is going to become a fully net zero facility, leaving zero carbon footprint, creating products that also leave zero carbon footprint." Although Tesla's Gigafactory is the perfect setup for any sustainable factory, one of the most exciting things about this factory is not the factory itself, but what it is creating, which is lithium-ion batteries that powers Tesla's vehicles. Battery technology is one of the most exciting areas of research right now, and all our mobile technology depends on it. To make electric cars a reality, the key was to develop the right battery, said Andrew Smith, an aerospace engineer. Another thing that makes the Gigafactory unique is that alongside a team of 7,000 technicians who are working to create the batteries, most of them are robots. The automated robots can move materials between workstations faster and lift heavier loads while staying charged for 19 hours. Some of the robots navigate through the factory using digital maps. Gigafactory is not fully operational yet, though it already contains 4.9 million square feet of manufacturing and office space, and the factory is only about 30% complete. The goal is for the Gigafactory to draw its power from solar panels on the roof, plus geothermal heat and wind, as well as Tesla's own batteries. Right now though, only a small portion of the roof is covered in solar panels, so Tesla still relies on the local power grid to run operations. The Gigafactory only makes a few things: the battery cells for the Model 3, the car's battery packs and drivetrain, and the company's two storage products, the Powerwall and the Power Pack. Tesla still relies heavily on its manufacturing plant in Fremont, California, where the Model S and Model X are built and the Model 3 is assembled. In fact, the Fremont plant still currently offers more square feet of 5.3 million of space than the Gigafactory, and the battery cells for the Model S and Model X are still imported from Japan. The point of the Gigafactory is to make Tesla into something more than EV manufacturer, says Chris Rister, the vice president who heads up operations there. The Gigafactory is crucial to helping realize the company's mission, one that goes beyond just electric cars, advance the world's transition to sustainable energy. Even if it's in complete form, according to Rister, the Gigafactory is one of the company's defining assets. 4 years ago, when we were deciding on this Gigafactory and how this was going to look, we were the first to make this bold leap into putting this infrastructure in place, Rister said during an interview at the Nevada factory. To be honest, we needed the Gigafactory to scale up quickly and be big and be bold and do things that no one else was doing, so that we could really push our mission as quickly as we possibly could. In the summer of 2018, Musk and Tesla signed a lease to build the third Gigafactory just outside of Shanghai, after years of flirting with the idea. China is the world's biggest market for electric cars, on pace to sell around 1 million in 2018. Opening a Gigafactory there creates a new revenue opportunities for Tesla that the company otherwise wouldn't be able to match by simply importing cars. By producing and selling locally, Tesla will be able to work around soaring tariffs that have been popped up as a result of the trade war between US and China. It also allows the company to work more closely with the growing EV supply chain there. Musk has said he thinks the Gigafactory in China can be built for about $2 billion. Goldman Sachs analysts recently estimated Tesla will need at least twice that much capital. Tesla's fourth Gigafactory will likely end up in Europe. The company has not settled on a specific location, but it's been courted heavily by France, Spain, and others. Lunchtime at the Gigafactory in Nevada is one of the brief moments when the facility feels as lively as Fremont. As hundreds of workers head to the cafeteria, they pass by an assortment of poster-sized photos of the company's current products, all taken by employees, as well as painting of Nikola Tesla. Once inside, they might grab a cup of Gigafactory One brand coffee, which the label on the black coffee dispenser describes as a light roast, with notes of milk chocolates and toffee. Or maybe they will head right to the lunch counter where they can buy made-to-order sandwiches and salads. The electric cars and trucks are part of the Tesla's vision of cleaner future. Musk believes that without sustainable energy, we will pollute ourselves to death. So if a shift to sustainable energy is ever going to happen on a scale big enough to treat that balance, the Gigafactory has to succeed, and that success has to be repeatable all around the world. Which feature impressed you the most about the Tesla's Gigafactory? Do you think this will be the future of all industry being built relying on renewable energy? Let's see what you think down in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Peace.